Good morning and welcome to Catherine's Garden. And today is Sensational Sunday. Yes, we're calling this day sensational. Hello, I hope today was a great day for you. I, in the morning, called today Sensational Sunday because it was a special day today. Today was my church's 79th anniversary. Because today is the Lord's Day, a day of rejoicing and a day of being glad. Hallelujah. This is a sensational event. This is a blessed event, a blessed day, a day of joy. Hallelujah. And I knew that a lot of wonderful things were going to happen today, that it was going to be a sensational day, a day of rejoicing, a day of praising, a day of lifting God up. This is Sunday, the first day of the week. Yes, a brand new week, a brand new time. And so we're calling it Sensational Sunday. We want this week to go well with us, and we know that great things are in store and ahead. So there is excitement in the air because today is sensational. So I just wanted to meet with you and just tell you that I hope that you had a sensational Sunday like how I did. I had a really sensational day. It was full of joy. I just love these mums. I know you've seen them before, but I just love them. Doesn't that look sensational? Yes. Yes, and yesterday I was able to pick up these tomatoes to clean up the garden. I was doing some garden cleanup with the tomatoes, and I was able to pick these green tomatoes. This is part of my harvest from yesterday. Hallelujah. And they're looking so colorful. Look at the colors. Yeah. It's just a sensational time in the garden. A great event is to happen. Yes. And then when the leaves change color, my oak trees, the leaves seem to take a while before they change color, and sometimes the leaves don't fall off until late in the year, even into the winter. It's like the snow has to help the leaves, and I'm just surrounded by beautiful trees. Soon these leaves will be changing color and just bringing forth even more beauty to the garden. And this mighty oak has given us a taste of what is to come, this sensational event of fall and the leaves changing color. It is sensational. So today we call today Sensational Sunday. It's a great event, an exciting event occurring today, Sunday. This is the Lord's Day, and we are excited. We're full of joy and excitement because today is His day, Sensational Sunday.
Thank you for watching, and for more videos, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button so that you'll know when the next videos will be coming out. Thank you so much. Bye.